Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to defragment or rebuild your database, PS4 database. So I just want to do that to make it speed up. I'm just going to do the defragment or rebuild the database, how we are doing in Windows system. So same way I'm going to do. So for that, right, it's completely switched off, and please connect with your joystick with wire in USB. So you need to connect with wire, then only it will work. So you need to press this power button for 2 seconds. 2 seconds, hold it up. So I should hear 2 beeps. So then I need to verify the TV. So after holding the power button for 2 seconds, 2 times, you should hear 2 beeps. Then you will see this safe mode. Connect the dual chuck for using the USB cable. I have already connected. So press the PS button. PS button now. So you can see this restart PS4, change resolution, update system software, restore default setting. I am going to choose this rebuild database. So come down. You can use this button. Come down. Rebuild database. Gonna say enter. The database will be rebuilt. It might take a few hours to rebuild the database. I'm gonna say OK. Choosing that, and yes, you can say OK. So mine is started rebuilding database. Wow, super cool. Mine is completely rebuilt and defragment is done. So my PS4 console will be a little bit faster. So that's it. Now press PS button. That's it. Now go inside and play your game. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my new forms. Thank you. Bye.